Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole if you haven't met me before. Nice to meet you. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial on faux freckles. Get in focus. Faux freckles. See these things right here? So I actually have freckles, like lots of them, but I have really terrible acne on my chin, so I like full coverage foundation, you know, the kind that covers up my real freckles. So sometimes when I'm feeling like I want to be extra cute, I like to go in and add fake ones onto my skin. I know that's been like a controversial trend. Some people love it, some people hate it. I say do whatever your little heart desires, but I know I've had people ask me before how I do them. It's very simple. Very simple. You literally need two things. Technically three, but everybody has fingers, or at least most people do, so that one doesn't really count. So, excuse my brows, they're a mess. I'm not sure what's happening. I'm very irritated right now because I recorded this whole entire video and I forgot to turn on my microphone. So now it's going to be a voiceover style with an intro and an outro, and it's whatever. I'll talk through it, and hopefully my every once in a while mouth moving in the video doesn't bother you too much, but whatever. If you guys are interested in learning how to make this look or see how I do my faux freckles, or if you just want to see my beautiful face talk for like 4 minutes, well, not talk because my idiot self forgot to turn on the microphone, then keep on watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button up top, give me a thumbs up, and share my video if you feel extra helpful or special or whatever. I appreciate it. Alright, thank you guys and enjoy. Yeah, enjoy. Why did I get so pale? I got so pale for a second. Okay, bye. So to start off, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow and this little Morphe brush. And I'm using the shade Blonde. And basically all you're going to do is use a nice little detailed brush. This is, I believe, like from the Morphe holiday kit or something. And you're just going to start pressing it in small, tiny, not precise at all, asymmetrical, like just not organized in whatsoever. So like if you have OCD, this isn't for you. I'm telling you that right now. So I'm just going to start pressing this all over my nose, especially focusing on the bridge of my nose because that's where my freckles naturally cluster. And then you're going to watch me go through all of that and work my way up and fade them onto my forehead. So naturally for me, my freckles are really heavy on my nose and then they start to fade out onto my forehead. They're still a little bit heavier on my cheeks, but like not quite as bad. So now I'm going to move up above my brows and just do a few on my forehead, and yeah. Also, I thought I should mention, because I mentioned this in the original videos, that I botched and messed up, but my lip color is called Flame of the Game. It's by Wet n Wild. It's one of their Mega Last Liquid Catsuit lipsticks, and I love this color. I love bright orangey reds, but this color is like life. So now that I'm done with my forehead, I'm going to start fading them down the sides of my nose and working my way onto my cheeks. So like I said, naturally on my cheeks I actually do have quite a few freckles, but I don't want to overwhelm my amazing highlight that I have on today, so I'm just going to lightly place, in no organized fashion whatsoever, freckles on my cheeks. But like I said, I don't want to overtake my entire face, so I'm just going to continue doing that and do it on the other side as well. What did I just say? I can't talk today, I'm telling you. It's like my mind has just like shut off. It's done. Done. So I'm just going to show a few on this other side. You guys get the idea. You do it on both cheeks. Again, I'm not making them symmetrical at all. I'm just kind of like placing them randomly on my face. And now the fun part, how do we get them to look more natural, because they're kind of harsh at first, right? So basically all you do is take your finger. You could probably use a damp beauty blender as well, but I feel like the beauty blender would probably make them a lot more faded, and I don't want them like super blended in. I kind of want them to be a little bit bolder. So I'm using my finger, and all this is going to do is warm up the product and help it like sort of diffuse into my skin and make them appear like much more natural than they would if I just let them be. And that is it, you guys. Like, that's it. So this is the finished look. Obviously, I've done some touch-ups. It's been a few hours since I did this to my face, so it looks pretty good. Just ignore my eyeliner in the video. I'm so sorry. I have hooded eyes. It looks great, like straight on, it looks fine, but then when I look down, you can see that people with hooded eyes have to do their eyeliner different, and it's just not a good time when you look down. But I really wanted wing liner today. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If there's anything that you would like to see, leave a comment down below. If you try this look, go ahead and hit me up with a tag on Instagram. My handle is at NicoleGrace. I would love to see you guys try this. And yeah, so thank you guys so much, and I hope you have a great day. And I don't know what else I'm gonna say right now besides bye. Subscribe. Got it. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget, please.